Hello and welcome back to Kev's Railfanning for another fun outing. It's August the 18th, 2025, and CN Z121 is rolling down the grade from Summit as we wait for them at Sissons Ridge Road, mile 156.59, Napadogan Sub, just to the west of Plaster, New Brunswick. Leading 121 today is CN 3410 and Sister 3417, along with 3098 and Mid DPU 3105. 3410 and 3417 have only been recently released from being rebuilt by Wabtec in Texas, maybe a month or so. They are AC 44C6Ms, older model DC drive GE units that have been rebuilt and converted to AC drive and still rated at 4,400 horsepower. As the friendly crew on 121 was just cruising down the grade from Summit and approaching St. Odell, about 14 miles east, the Rail Traffic Controller, or RTC, came on the radio for a GBO, General Bulletin Order Update. The conductor changed over from their normal mainline frequency, CN Channel 1, 161.415 MHz, to the dispatcher's channel, and for this area it's Channel 28, 160.305 MHz. Let's listen, and we'll explain a few items afterwards.
Hey, 121, Alright, now set to copy over. All set. Fantastic. Let's go with GBO number 533053, 3 to the Z121 1117 Zulu 1211117. GBO number 2900 29 is cancelled. Over.
Okay, here we go. We got GBO number 533053 to the Z121 1117 Zulu 1211117. GBO number 2900 29 is cancelled. Over.
Very good. We can show that complete at 901 1 RTC RH Romeo Hotel. Over.
Okay, perfect. We got a complete time at 901 1 NCRH. Stop and flag conductor bell. Over.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. And while I got you, can I bug you for an emergency radio test, please? Over.
Okay, yeah, we'll do that for you.
I appreciate that. Thank you, RD2.
Emergency test. 131 CN 3410 is testing the emergency standby. About 143 on the Napadogan Sub.
Alright, RTC answering emergency radio test 121 mile 143 going west on the Napadogan Sub. Good emergency radio test. Thank you very much. And for your info, we are ordered on connection. Put it on for 1110 Atlantic. Over.
Okay, folks, 1110 Atlantic stop. Order on connection. Thank you very much. 121.
Thank you, RD2.
It has been a while since we've heard an emergency radio test. This testing tests the alarm panel for the dispatcher to make sure that the proper alarms notifications come up and is done on a regular basis. GBOs are paper instructions that the crew has with them that will give them specific instructions that they need to observe, like a speed restriction or a hazard. No idea what it was that got cancelled, but hopefully, whatever it was, it'll make their day easier. The RTC referred to 121 as CN Z121 1117. That would be the official designation for the train. The Z denotes that it is a 100 series domestic intermodal train. M is used for our 300 series long haul manifest trains, like our 305 or 306 that we see on the Napadogan Sub. 121 is, of course, the train number. The first 1 denotes what region it originated in. In this case, 1 is for New Brunswick and Nova Scotia, and of course, 121 originates in Halifax. A 2 would be for Quebec and Ontario east of Brockville. 3 would be for the rest of Ontario, and similar for the rest of CN's network. You get the drift. The second one means it is the first section. If it was a 2, then it would mean that there would be a second 121 for the day, or a extra, so to speak. Finally, the 17 is for the day the train departed its originating terminal. For 121, it was Pace Yard, formerly Rockingham, in Halifax, around 2000 hours on the 17th. While we were chatting, 121 could be heard blowing for the crossing for NB 390, so they will soon be calling the signal at Plaster Rock. So here is the CN Z121 GBO update, a test, and new power at Sissons. Enjoy.
Z3410s, clear, Plaster Rock. 155 now, no restrictions.
CN detector, Napadogan 152. No alarms. Temperature 10 C. Total axles 624. Speed 46. Détecteur LCN, Napadogan 152. Aucun problème. Température 10 C. Total essieu 624. Vitesse 46.
Plaster Rock for 121. Thank you. Have a good morning. 121.
Thank you. Have a good one. You just take good care.
you enjoyed this great video of CN Z121 GBO update, a test, and new power at Sissons, we will leave you with a few photos of 3410 and 3417. Thank you for watching, and until we meet for another view of 121 at Tie Camp, we hope everyone is having a great day. Cheers!